BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 98 of season 3. Today's word is conspicuous, which means clearly visible, noticeable, distinct or attracting attention. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word conspicuous. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Conspicuous is spelled as C-O-N-S-P-I-C-U-O-U-S. The word conspicuous is used to express that something is clearly visible or highly noticeable. For example, we can say that important public notices must be displayed at conspicuous places. Don't you agree? Listen carefully how we can use the word conspicuous in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. The movie awards function was in progress and a veteran, means experienced actor, entered the hall. Soon all eyes were on him since he was conspicuous in a bright red coat. Moving on to example number 2 of 8. Justin was ill due to a viral fever. It took him almost a month to recover. When he resumed his duty, his weight loss was very conspicuous. Let us understand example number 3 of 8. The production manager had some differences of opinion with the management over his annual salary increment. Therefore, he was conspicuous by his absence in the annual gathering of the company. Example number 4 of 8. Mr. Bishan Singh boarded unreserved compartment of the train at New Delhi station. The badge of a retired army officer was conspicuous on his blazer. A young man got up from his seat, shook hands with Mr. Singh and offered him a seat. Do you know that over 3 lakh professionals, students and homemakers have learned to speak English fluently and confidently at BM English Speaking Institute? Log on to our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com for more information. Example number 5 of 8. A new play park was inaugurated in the locality. Soon, a large number of children started visiting the park. Manohar displayed various toys and comic books conspicuously near the entrance. This attracted children and he did brisk business. Example number 6 of 8. The Indian Railways have proposed to install a 100 feet tall Indian flag at the CST terminus. It will be within few meters of the terminus and will be conspicuous from a distance. Moving on to example number 7 of 8. Martha's family sat down for a dinner. Others were laughing and cracking jokes. Martha was silent. It was conspicuous that she was worried about something. Her father decided that he would have a chat with her after the dinner to see if he can help her. Let us now understand example number 8 of 8. Manav decided to spread awareness amongst local residents about importance of traffic rules. He innovatively placed a model of a traffic signal and audio-visual display conspicuously at the entrance of local mall. This really attracted the crowd to the display. Today we learnt the word conspicuous, which means clearly visible, noticeable, distinct or attracting attention. Can you frame 3 sentences with conspicuous and type in our comments box? We are waiting. We are sure This lesson has helped to improve your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 98 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be uploading one vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.